welcome back to day 24 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am Chris O'Neill. So glad you're here and I cannot wait to get started. I did make the notebook and I made the notebook without the assistance of the video, and I have some thoughts. I did watch the video today, so I always record the day before. So this is the 23rd, and I did watch the video today, so I wanted to make sure anything I talked about when I talk about the project was or was not covered. So I will get into all of that when after we open, because I know that's why a lot of you are here, is to see what we got. So this is day 24's item. Let's see what we have. It's so light and I don't know what it is. If I can open it. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Oh, how cute! It's a little bowl. This basket was dyed and woven by skilled weavers in Rwanda. Oh, wow. Oh, the weaving craft has been passed down from mother to daughter for many generations, can't talk, preserving the rich legacy and bridging the past with the present. Throughout their craft, women are enabled to provide for their families and pave a brighter future for the next generation. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at this. I just want to make sure there was nothing else in there. I don't know if you remember the gnome from last year. I didn't find out till the next day that it was another handcrafted, I think by monks, and it was a very embarrassing moment for me last year, and I'm glad that they added a tag so we know. This is really pretty, really sturdy. I can't believe this is hand woven. This is beautiful. What a unique gift. You could put clips. I have clips right here. Look, you could put your clips in it. The clips are here because I worked on that notebook. I love this. It's so special, so meaningful, such a wonderful item. And I love that they support different missions like this. This is so wonderful. Oh, love it. No idea what I'm going to value that at, but we'll worry about that later. That's a later on problem. All right, let's talk about the notebook. So lots of thoughts. First of all, use a composition notebook. Do not use the notebook they send. It is too big. It doesn't seem like it because they're really close in size, which I don't know where I put the notebook. Let me find it. I'll show you. All right, it was here all along. This is the one with the composition notebook. So this is my notebook. I did not put the embroidery on. I did not put the pockets on because I just wanted to try it out. I love it. The pattern is excellent. There are a couple things that I think that need to be addressed. Under the finishing section on page 2, it says to use a 1/2 inch seam allowance when you're sewing the whole thing together. Don't do that. Use a 1/4 inch. And Courtney says in her video to use a 1/4 inch. So I don't know where that came in. I also made my flaps a little smaller because I like to stuff things in here. Also, it got really super tight when I had them up to here. Now on the pattern itself, it does say to use a composition notebook. I didn't see that until later. I was trying to shove this thing into it. It is too tight, all right? What else? Oh, also in the pattern, it tells you that there's to leave the opening at the bottom middle. Don't do that, and I have a picture as to why. Your flaps will come up. It'll be a nightmare to top stitch. So I was happy to see that Courtney addressed this in her video and said to leave the opening anywhere. Don't leave it anywhere, okay? Leave it on the side or make sure, I think mine's right here. You can see I have a thread I need to clip. I left mine right in here. So here's the different sizes, and it's minor, but it makes a difference. It's just a teeny schmidgy more bigger, that's lovely, bigger. And also this one has the rounded corners, which help. This is also slightly thicker, the brown one they sent. Just get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Use a composition notebook. It'll save your life. And also use a 1/4 inch, not a 1/2 inch. And leave that opening differently. It really is a wonderful project. It is your basic construction of a notebook cover that we see a lot of places. There's lots of videos, lots of stuff on it. I actually had a video planned for January on making a notebook cover. So I don't know if that'll still happen, but whatever. And it is nice. Here, let me put this in. There, that's the composition one. You can see how nice it lays. You can open it up, no problem. Let me show you the other one. I have to get it off the floor. All right, you can see how it's just wonky. It's okay. It's not as nice, all right? So if you're struggling with this, if you tried making it with this notebook, this is why you're struggling. I don't think it was ever intended for this notebook. It says right on the front cover, it's for a composition notebook, which are these. You can usually find these fairly inexpensively at, especially back to school time. They're all over the place, so you can get them. These other ones that they sent, you can buy in bulk. Anyway, that brings me to the value. And I'm putting this at $16. It might be a little smidge high, but I know people thought that I was low with the puzzle. Yeah, I don't know. It might be a smidge high. You do get a notebook you could use for something else, maybe make a bigger cover. And I did account for the fusible and of course the pattern, which is wonderful. Like I said, it's a great company too. So definitely check them out. I think we've gotten other things from them in past years too, other embroidery kits. So they have a lot of cool stuff out there. That brings our running total to $404.40 for an overage of $204.45. I almost forgot Chuck the Duck. Stayed the same. All the packaging's already in there in the count. I have it in this box. Do you see the box? Yeah, all the packaging's already in there. Everything's counted for in that. So yeah, it's kind of was a flop. But here we are at 36 ducks. Not bad, I guess, but still, we've gotten a lot more in other years. Just saying. All right, I'm going to guess for day 25, Christmas Day. So I'm lifting it up now. This is your warning, 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 warning. Here we go. It's kind of heavy. There's definitely noise. I don't want to shake it too much. I'm afraid I'll break it. We'll find out tomorrow on Christmas Day. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.